In a world that's becoming increasingly blurry, the struggle with failing eyesight can often seem like an uphill battle. But imagine a solution so simple, so natural, it's almost miraculous. Enter the miracle tree of life. Herb, your ticket to clear vision and a vibrant life. This isn't just any herb, it's a breakthrough in natural health solutions with a seal of approval from none other than Yale University. Yes, you heard it right. Yale's research has validated the effectiveness of the miracle tree of life herb. In just 7 days, this miracle worker can restore your vision, eliminating the need for surgeries, prescriptions, and endless visits to the doctor. Picture this: a life free of blurred visions where every color, every detail, every moment is as clear as crystal. Where the world isn't a blurry canvas of confusion, but a masterpiece of clarity. That's the promise of the miracle tree of life herb. Meet Jane, a 70-year-old retiree who had been wrestling with deteriorating vision for years. A week after trying the miracle tree of life herb, Jane was able to read her favorite novels again, without any glasses or magnifiers. Or consider the story of Tom, a teacher who can now confidently read his students' homework without straining his eyes, thanks to this incredible herb. These are not isolated incidents, but a testament to the power of the miracle tree of life herb. Thousands have reclaimed their vision, their freedom, and their life, and you can too. Don't let poor eyesight dictate your life. It's time to take back control. Embrace the miracle tree of life herb and witness the transformation in just 7 days. So why wait? Say goodbye to the blurred world and hello to a life of clarity. Order your miracle tree of life herb today and experience the miracle of clear vision. Rediscover the world around you in its true, vibrant colors. Your brighter, clearer future is just a click away.